It's your Devo Miss who is ready to take your chemistry class. Today I have decided to do the question answer of lesson 3. Since we have finished the lesson, I have decided to do the question answer. My dear students, as the period of lockdown is keep on increasing, how long we can delay the question answer? So what we can do without interaction, let's do that. And the question answer of previous lesson also we will do one by one. So let's begin. We will begin with evaluate your understanding, recalling ideas. This you will do in your book. Which of the following is a non-metal? The correct answer is sulfur. The symbol of lead is, the correct answer is Pb. The chemical formula for nitric acid is, I hope you all know, it is HNO3. Which among the following is a heterogeneous mixture? The correct answer is milk. Next is, which of the following is an example of triatomic molecule? The correct answer is ozone. The symbol of ozone is O3. This 3 symbolizes the triatomic. Next is, this you do in your book itself. Next is, state the following statement true or false. Correct the false statement. So first is, both elements and compound are pure substance. This statement is absolutely true. Next is, a mixture containing two compounds is called tertiary mixture. It is wrong. A mixture containing two compounds is called binary mixture. Next is, the symbol for an element does not signify its name. The correct statement is, the symbol for an element always signify its name. Fourth statement is, aurum is the Latin name of gold. This statement is true. And the symbol for gold is AU, which comes from the name aurum. This is the Latin name. Chemical formula for mercuric chloride is MgCl2. This is again wrong statement. The chemical formula for mercuric chloride is HgCl2. So this statement, this question you will write in your copy. Next is fill in the blanks. This again you will do in the book itself. A substance made up of just one kind of atom is called an element. A dash composed of two or more elements in a dash. A compound is composed of two or more elements in a fixed proportion by weight. Third is, a dash mixture composition is same throughout. A homogeneous mixture in which the composition is same throughout. So the correct answer is homogeneous. Next is, dash is a liquid form of lead. Dash is a metal in liquid form. The correct answer is mercury. The compound can be broken into its element by chemical process. Next is, a solution of sugar or table salt in water is an example of liquid. A solution of sugar and table salt in water is an example of solid liquid mixture. Next is match the column. This you will write in your copy. Smallest unit of matter which may or may not have independent existence is, correct answer is atom. So 1 with D. Next is a non-metal which conducts heat and electricity. The correct answer is graphite. So 2 matches with E. Third is the mixture of oil and water is heterogeneous. So C, third with A. Next is a noble gas used for fillings weather observation balloons. Correct answer is helium. So number 4 matches with B. Next is a liquid metal at room temperature is mercury. So number 5 matches with C. I hope you all have understood. Now next is, this you will write in your copy. Next one is pick the odd one out, give scientific reason. First is carbon, chalk, sodium, gold. The odd one is chalk. And the correct answer is chalk is brittle in nature. Chalk is brittle in nature, whereas others are malleable, whereas others are non-brittle. Chalk is brittle in nature, whereas others are non-brittle. Next is hydrogen, mercury, nitrogen, chlorine. The odd one is mercury. The statement is mercury is a metal, whereas other 3 are non-metals. Right? Next is helium, neon, chlorine, argon. Odd one is chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal, whereas other three are noble gases. Chlorine is a non-metal, whereas other 3 are noble gases. Gold, silver, copper, zinc. Gold is brittle, whereas other 3 are malleable in nature. So the odd one is zinc, and the correct answer is the statement is zinc is brittle, whereas other 3 are malleable. Alright. Next is hydrogen, bromine, ozone and oxygen. The odd one is ozone, because ozone has triatomic molecule. Ozone is triatomic, whereas other 3 are diatomic. Am I clear to all? Ozone is triatomic, whereas other 3 are diatomic. Now here I want to do one correction. Carbon, chalk, sodium, gold. For this you do the correction. Chalk is odd. Chalk is a compound. Whereas other 3 are element. Chalk is a compound, whereas other 3 are element. Understood? Next is answer the following in one word. The smallest particle of substance that can exist freely and retain the characteristic of the substance, it is molecule. The number of atoms present in one molecule of the element is atomicity. Solid sulfur is an example of polyatomic molecule. The Latin name of potassium is kalium. The element present in ammonia is nitrogen and hydrogen. You will write full nitrogen and hydrogen. What does CO in and CO denotes? CO symbol stand for carbon monoxide, and CO is an element which denotes cobalt. CO stands for carbon monoxide, and C small o stands for an element cobalt. COBALT. Today till this much, and then you have to define the following in your copy. Take help from the referring pages, refer to the pages where these topics are there, and write at least one paragraph for each of them with an example. So today's assignment is to write the questions which I have solved just now, along with that all the 4 definitions. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.